So, you just bought a new computer, and now you're wondering, how do I move all my iTunes stuff over? Your music, playlists, and even podcasts you've collected for years, you definitely don't want to lose them. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to safely transfer your entire iTunes library to a new computer. And if something goes wrong, I'll also show you a recovery option that can save the day. So let's dive in. Part 1. Transfer iTunes data to a new Windows PC. Before you begin, here's what you'll need. An external hard drive or USB stick with sufficient space. The latest version of iTunes is installed. Enough time, depending on how big your library is. And of course, iTunes is already installed on your new computer. Step 2. Organize your iTunes library. On your old computer, open iTunes. Go to File, Library, Organize Library. It will pop up a window, check Consolidate Files, and hit OK. This makes sure all your songs and media are properly collected in one place, so you don't leave anything behind. Step 3. Back up the iTunes folder. Next, close iTunes completely, and navigate to this folder. On your Windows 10 or 11 computer, go to C drive. Mine is D drive. Then Users, then Music, then iTunes. Copy the entire iTunes folder to your external drive. Next, you can restore it on your new computer. Paste the iTunes folder into the same music directory on the new computer. If your new computer doesn't have iTunes data, just click Replace when asked if you want to replace the files. Now, hold down Shift and launch iTunes. You'll see a window that says Choose Library. Browse to the folder you just copied, find the file called ituneslibrary.itl, and open it. Boom, your old iTunes library loads up, exactly how you left it. Part 2. What if it doesn't work? Now, sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe your library is corrupted. Maybe you accidentally deleted playlists, or you're switching between different OS versions. In that case, you can use a data recovery tool like Tenorshare 4DDig. It is not only suitable for restoring from backup, but also for repairing a corrupted iTunes library and recovering deleted music. Just launch 4DDig and select the drive where your iTunes files were stored. Select Audio and scan it. Wait for a moment, and you'll see all your missing or deleted music files appear. Preview them before recovery. Then choose where to save, like an external drive or even cloud storage. This way, even in worst-case scenarios, you can still get your iTunes library back. And that's it, 2 solid ways to move your iTunes library to a new computer. Method 1 should cover most people. But if you run into errors or missing files, Method 2 with 4DDig can save you a ton of frustration. If this video helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips. And drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See you next time.